Okay, so this is the SKU Builder sheet that I have set up. You'll see that there's a number of tabs across the bottom that have um, obviously different information. So this will be what you see in the SKU Builder, and this will be what gets added to the SKU code that gets generated. So um, we can add new products as we go, or get rid of ones that we don't need anymore. There's different items in here for each portion of, or each element of the SKU that we generate. Sometimes we're going to have situations where we don't want to have necessarily a country code. An example of this was a book that we created, and the barcode for the book is the exact same for Canada and the US. So if we were to use a SKU code that had a country code part in it, it's going to cause issues with ShipHero. So we want to make sure that we only use the elements of the SKU that we actually need. Yeah, and that's that. So when you first open this, it's important to note you want to make sure that you're logged in with a single Google account. You can't have multiple windows open with different Google accounts active. So it should be your work account, should be the only Google account that's active, and that's for your entire computer system. Like don't have multiple windows open with different accounts active, because it's going to create errors if you do that. Yeah, so the first time that you go to run this, you may see when you first open it that this SKU Builder menu is not visible immediately. It sometimes takes a little bit of time before the script runs and this gets added to your menu here. So the first time you run it, you'll pop in here. There's two different options for the SKU Builder. There's a sidebar option, which puts everything sort of over on the right. And there's a modal version, which puts a block on top. I prefer the modal version. It just works better as far as I'm concerned. So I'll run that. And when I click this for the first time that I opened this, it's going to tell me that it needs authorization. So essentially, because this sheet and the app script was created by my work user, this particular user needs to authorize that script to run or it will not run. So when you see this, you're going to want to click OK. It's going to pop up another window. You're going to have to use the same account that you're logged into the app with. So I'm just going to click that. And now here it's going to say that it isn't verified and nasty, scary warning. So what you do here is you click Advanced. And then down here you click on Go to SKU Builder. It's going to show you that it's unsafe, but it's fine. So just click that. And it gives you this next information. And you're going to say Select All. And then you're going to click Continue. Then it should open up and start showing you the options that are available. It's probably taking a little bit of time because this is the first time it's been opened with this account, and there it is. So it's pretty simple to use. Obviously, you're just going to select the brand. You're going to select bundle status. So I've got just a bundle of multiple products, a quantity bundle, so that's like a single product but 2 of or 4 of, etc., or a single product. So we'll just show you what a bundle works like. So we'll say it's a bundle. We'll say it's cortisol and Navitol. Now the count would be the number of products, or the number of capsules, say for instance, in the bottle, or if it's a 30-day supply, or if it's a 2-pack bundle, 10-pack bundle, etc. So just choose the appropriate one. And again, using the sheet, this list can be modified because these lists get populated by the data from these different tabs. So we're just going to say this is a 30-day supply, and this one is going to be for the United States. And if you want a version, you don't have to choose a version, but if you want a version, you can select a version. Let's just call this one an introductory. And then I'm going to click on the Generate SKU button, and boom, there's my SKU. So now I can copy this. That copies it to my clipboard. Now I'm done with the SKU Builder. So I can just close this, and then wherever I want to use this, I can just paste it. So there's the SKU that was generated. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Yeah, this video will sort of accompany the actual SOP document that I'm building, but you'll see that. Anyway, that's about it.